IKEA has some of the best finds for camping. You're definitely going to want to make a trip.
I'm at IKEA to share my favorite budget-friendly finds that you're sure to want to bring on your next camping trip. Now, I was here over a year ago and I recorded the items that we have in our camping kit that we love from IKEA. But then I never published the video and I realized some of those items could be discontinued. So I'm back to see what's still in stock and to see if there's any new finds that we can add to our camping kit for this year. All right, let's head inside.
I have all 4 of them with me on this trip with their eyes set on that food court as soon as we're done. We're going to start by checking out all the things that can help make packing so much easier. First, these plastic storage bags are amazing. They're easy to carry, they repel water, they keep everything together, and they're pretty well made. We store all of our linens in these bags. There's a couple different varieties with handles, and then these cheaper versions don't really have a carrying handle, but if you have an RV or a pop-up, these are great for just storing your linens if you don't really have to move them. All of our camping bedding is from IKEA. I love these inexpensive cotton sheets. They come in lots of colors, but you can also dye them to make a look all your own. We use these in our camper, and we also use them when we're tent camping as well. There are so many storage bin options at IKEA that are great for organizing the inside of RVs. We use these bins inside our RV fridge. They don't latch, but they're nice for keeping smaller items contained and together in the fridge. Now, when we need to pack items in the cooler, these silicone stasher bags are awesome. They're great for storing pre-sliced veggies or pre-made parts of a meal. Then they seal up and they lay pretty flat in the cooler, so they don't take up a ton of space. These waterproof bags are a great little item to bring with you when you're camping. They can store your items that you don't want to get wet when you're kayaking or at the beach. This last packing IKEA find is one I've seen used before, but these 99-cent blue bags are amazing. We personally use them to haul firewood to our site, but they can be used in so many different ways. They also work really well for dirty clothes or dirty linens when you're done with your trip. We're moving on to the camp kitchen with items that will make your life so much easier when you're cooking. These Cork Trivets are lightweight for packing, but they're the perfect surface for hot pans, skillets, and pie irons. Now, you could definitely fill your entire camp kitchen box with IKEA items. Here are a few of my favorites. These silicone hand mitts are perfect, especially for cast iron. I like the variety of cutting boards here. They're small, they're lightweight, easy to pack, but they do the job well. You can't beat the price for plastic dishes at IKEA. You can get a whole 18-piece set of plates, cups, and bowls for $6. Each of these has 6 in them, so they're great for a family. Now, they used to have plastic utensils in this line as well. It's actually the silverware that we have in our camping kit right now, but it looks like they might only be making the spoons now, which seems weird to me, but I have not seen forks or knives at the store the last several times I've been there, so I'm not sure. If you have an RV, I'd highly recommend these bowls and plates. They are lightweight, and although they can break, ours have held up really well as our dinnerware set. Plus, they're only $1 each, so you can buy just what you need for your family without spending much money. When it's time to clean up, these collapsible bowls could work really well for dishes. Now, these are slightly too small for our family of 6, and we do have bigger collapsible bins for our dishes, but if you're camping with just a couple of people, these would work really well. Now, we're going to check out a couple of things that will just help keep things organized at your campsite. These little garbage bins are great because they close up and you can add a second layer to the top to sort out recycling as well. These are what we use in our camper. And thankfully, the price has dropped since I filmed this. The price has also dropped for this next find, this 3-pack of garbage or recycling bags. They're $10 right now for a pack of 3. These are great because they can lay flat for packing. They have a lid that flaps closed, and they also have carrying handles. So they're great for garbage, but they can also be used for dirty clothes too. Speaking of clothes, we bring a hamper with us on every camping trip, and there are 2 great options of collapsible hampers at IKEA. Of course, you can also use these for garbage too by clipping your garbage bag to them as well. This next hack also helps with clothes, this time drying them. This might be my all-time favorite camping item from IKEA. It's perfect for hanging on a branch somewhere, and it can hold everyone's swimsuit or other items as well for drying. Now, it looks like they're discontinuing this octopus version, so it's on sale right now, but they have another version that can replace it and will do just the same thing. Not only do we have to wrangle swimsuits while camping, but also shoes. I love this 4-shelf storage system. It can fold down easily as well for storage. We put it outside our camper or our tent to store shoes, but I've also used it in my camp kitchen as a way to hold all my supplies next to the area where I'm cooking if I don't have enough room on the table. This next item feels so simple, but it's one of my favorite things to grab when I'm at IKEA for camping. Their mats are perfect for throwing in front of a tent or a camper or even inside of them. They're super inexpensive, but they do the job well.
I hope some of these finds will be helpful to you on your next trip. Happy camping!